Ready to turn your long video into an entire week of shorts without ever showing your face? Short.ai says it can clip, caption and publish for you in the time it takes to stir your coffee. Let's see if that's true. Right now we spend hours scrubbing timelines, trimming clips, typing subtitles and hopping between applications just to hit every platform. It is slow, it's dull and it steals the fun from making videos. Short.ai rolls every step into one simple dashboard. Auto clip. Drop in your full video and it slices out the best moments for TikTok, Reels and YouTube Shorts. Zero manual cuts. Captions. One click adds bright, dynamic text in 30+ languages so viewers stay hooked even on mute. Faceless video, paste a Reddit post or quick script and Short.ai turns it into a voiced, captioned story with Minecraft, cartoon or chat style scenes. No camera is needed in the process. Instant posting. Set the time, hit schedule and every finished shot lands on your channels without extra exports. So stick around and we're gonna see how all that works in Short.ai. Here I'm on the official page of Short.ai and you can see that it claims to generate bulk videos, AI short videos. It auto grows your channel. The AI clip that makes 10 wire clips out of one video in single click. You can generate AI stories, Reddit stories, fake text, AI superhero, fake text video, and all of these things are very easy to do and it is very fast. So let me quickly jump to my dashboard and here I am on my dashboard, you can see, and here on the top you can see the faceless video creation. There are plenty of options to create Reddit story, fake text, AI story video, split screen which is coming soon, and dialog generator. And then you have some AI tools to generate the captions, to turn your video to text, and there's also a feature for a text to speech, so all the text is generated into a speech that you can download, or it is kind of a voiceover thing. Then you have some popular templates you can use for your instant video generation purpose, and then you have on the sidebar some options to create. There are some AI tools and some options for publishing where you can have all the calendar and you can set when to post what, and this is very useful if you are an agency or you are a creator who has to post things very regularly, consistently. Then it comes very handy because the generation of content is quite easy. It works in minutes or maybe seconds, but posting cannot be done in seconds, because if you post regularly too much, like if you post 10 to 20 videos in a day, this is not gonna work. So you have to be consistent, but you have to be careful at the same time. So that is why this tool comes in place. And then you have some pricing options. You can upgrade any time and all. You can change the languages and all, and then logout button. So very sleek, sophisticated, minimal and clean application. It is very easy to use as well. So let's quickly get into this create option where we can generate a Reddit story, fake text, AI story video and dialog generator. So let's see how it all works. So you can quickly input your Reddit post description, the script, and you can also AI rewrite whatever you post over here, and this will generate the text, and you can complete your next process and the video will be generated. You can change the background for the same, subtitles you can choose, the voice and the background music. There are plenty of music you can choose from for sure. You can organize them or maybe filter them based on a theme, based on the style they represent and the duration for which you want your video to be in. And then you have some fake text video generation option which have similar steps, but the first scripting step is quite different. So you have here this option to align the text. You have some content, so this is the UI that is going to be shown whenever this video is being generated. So it is a very viral kind of a video. So you can set actions, you can set messages, you can add receiver, add sender, you can type in anything here. This is that, this is that, and yeah, this is all that it works. You can set AI script, paste the script, anything like here, player 1, player 2 you can say, and this way you can paste in one go and it this will avoid manual entries like here. So this is a visual representation of how you input the content for your P1 P2, and here you can paste in one time. Probably you can create a project in ChatGPT for the same, where you can set instructions in a way that it generates the content the way Short.ai accepts in here. So this is going to save you plenty of time generating a script for this purpose. And then you have options for the background changement, some themes, some voices, and the background music that we saw recently in the Reddit story option. Then you have AI story video option, where you can generate a script using the AI, and you have plenty of templates to select from. It is going to take very few seconds. You have options to choose from the interesting history, long form jokes, bedtime stories, scary stories, ELI 5 for this stands for explain like I'm 5, and philosophy, motivational, fun facts, urban legends, and all these options are there to help you save some time. You have option to choose or go with the custom prompt, where you have option to enter your video concept, and AI will take care of the rest. You have option to choose language, video starting hook, and a CTA. You can choose the script length, maybe it is 30 to 60, 60 to 90, or 90 to 120. And this is gonna work for script generation. And the next steps are the same: background subtitle, voice, and background music. And then you have dialogue generator, where you can generate dialogues for your videos, and it is going to create dialogue kind of a video. And this is like this one, and this is the same or similar to your fake text video, right? And then you have some AI tools to generate the captions. You have option to choose a language or auto direct, and you can drop your video in here, and the caption will be generated once you upload the video. Then you have option for the AI script, where you can generate your scripts. You have templates to choose your script. You can choose the model which will take care of the generation. These are the LLMs which are going to take care. So you have here GPT 4.1 mini for free, and you also have Gemini 2.5 Flash. So these are the best models, I would say, if you are looking to create the script for the videos. And Cloud is best, but it is for coding purpose, I guess, but you can also use or try that too. And then you have option to choose the prompt, and here you have option to write your own prompt for the generation of the script instead of a template that we previously saw in this template option. And you can also choose to go with the custom option, where you have option to choose the model, and you have here the prompt, here the task type. So some advanced options are here, and you can also import and something like that. And then you have option to auto clip. So this is very useful when you have a long form video and you want to generate a couple of shorts out of it. And this is going to work if you are a creator who is mostly in creating long form videos and don't have time for creating short videos, but you want to have. So in this case, you can just generate short videos in a matter of seconds using this AI option. And we also created a video about clap.ai, which was also a similar tool that used to generate the videos out of long form videos, and that was also fun to use. And this tool does the same. You have plenty of credits in the pro plan. So first let's create the video, and then we'll talk about pricing, pros and cons, and everything, the alternatives and all. So firstly, let's quickly create a video, AI short video, right? So by any chance, if you're confused with what you need to do, like what type of video you can create, then you can check out my application called DroidCrunch application, app.droidcrunch. You can navigate to from this URL, and here in the right section you can find this story ideas generator tool. You can access it to generate some ideas. You can choose the number of ideas you want to generate, where 10, 12, whatever. I will go with the 10 options, or maybe 8 are enough. You can choose the domain and kind of historical event is, myth, technological trend, or whatever you want. A social issue it can be, or environmental challenge or something. So for this purpose, let's go with the technological trend. And angle we can choose what if, origin story, catastrophe, redemption, coming of age, we can say what if. Okay, genre we can choose sci-fi, fantasy, comedy, drama, horror, adventure, literacy, mystery we can choose. Mood, hopeful, dark, satirical, suspenseful, maybe we can go with a hopeful. Era we can choose 20th century, or maybe far future or near future we can say, because it is what if, technology and near future. So we are going to definitely come with a good script, and rest let's go with it. Okay, so this is very easy to generate the ideas, and now you have plenty of good ideas. 8 is chosen. Like, what if tomorrow's smart homes reveal hidden internal dimensions? What if a broken compass leads to a digital reality beyond the town? What if an AI powered weather app holds secrets to a town's future? What if a disappearing Wi-Fi network uncovers town's forgotten history? So these are the type of ideas you are going to generate using this tool. And not only that, you can also access while YouTube short script. Here you can choose the title of your script and the controversial statement or something, the haiku style you can choose from. There are plenty of styles, bold opinion, quick tip, teaser, empathy, trigger or something. And you have duration to select, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds or whatever, audience and keywords, and you will be good to go with generation of the script. You can also use their own custom script option, where you option to choose a hook, a CTA, and input your text for the custom script. So we are going to use this itself, but not here but here, so that we can generate the script using the custom prompt. So let us write something. So we are going to create a short video script for my video that talks about the fact the size of countries we see on the map is not actually real. So countries are big in size and then shown the map, and vice versa. So create an engaging script for this. So this is true, and it is a very interesting fact that many people don't know. So it is a crazy idea for this script or the video. So choose the language. Did you know, we can say, and video ending, subscribe for more, and the script can be 60 to 90 seconds are enough, I guess. So let's click on generate script button and wait and see what happens, whatever script it generates. So it's like beyond the map, a vibrant animated map appears on screen. Why do maps distort countries? Maps misrepresent reality by shrinking and stretching countries. Greenland looks large on maps but is smaller than DRC. So yeah, this is good enough, but if you want a much better script, then you can definitely go with any LLM like Grok or the ChatGPT. But for now, let's quickly click on create and see what happens next. We can go with this oil painting option, choose any type of caption style, click on next, and I will choose this one because it's
I've seen things you people wouldn't
very
believe.
amazing voice it is, so that's why I will use it. It is like middle-aged male English voice, very intimate and warm and perfect for the audiobooks, but it is very suitable for suspenseful kind of content like we have, which creates a sense of urgency and kind of very engaging type of voice is needed for this. So let's generate using this voice. Let's wait for a few seconds or maybe minutes, and it is gonna do its job. So our script has been generated, video has been generated. So let's see.
Did you know? Why do maps distort countries? Maps misrepresent reality by shrinking and stretching countries. Greenland looks large on maps but is smaller than the DRC. Africa is massive, but maps often downsize it to fit Europe. Projections flatten our round Earth into rectangles. What's the trick? The Mercator projection is popular but misleading, inflating polar sizes. It makes Canada and Russia look huge, while Africa shrinks. Maps shape our perception. Understanding them uncovers the truth. Next time you look at a map, remember.
So this is how you can create your videos, and they're gonna look very professional. You can easily support various social channels. So you will need to have a good plan for connecting it with your social media channels and auto post on them whenever your video is generated. So there's a button you will need to create the post, and you can also download the video right from here. And no worry, you will also be able to download the videos later on. It will be saved in your projects, and you can see all the script out here as well. And let's click on the back to home option, and here you can see your projects that are created pretty recently. And if you want to know about the pricing, this is very straightforward. You have a basic plan to start with, and you have 1600 credits, and I created 3 videos and they costed me around a few. I had this plan, so you can judge, like 160 credits are spent and I created 3 videos out of it. So you have this plan only over here, so you can create 40 faceless videos or 53 minutes of auto captions using this plan. And yeah, this is enough to try and test out if it works for you, and if it does, you can upgrade for a better plan as well. And if you go with the yearly plan, you can save up to 50% on top of it, and you have a channel plan as well. It is essentials plan, so you have plenty of good access, and you can auto post on channels like YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. You can also add more channels into that, and the cost will be increased accordingly, as you can see over here. And this is how the application gonna work for you, and you will be able to make a good amount of views, engagements on your social media channels, and it will not it will not take much of time creating this kind of content. So yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video about Short.ai.